Hey guys, I'm going to give you a quick room tour of where I'm staying here in London. I'm in room 124. Now these doors are the tappy tap ones. Just do that. And then you go in. And then there's a little thing on the wall there that you put your card in, which makes the electric go. And the light's on. Well, not that's nobody can get in. A big mirror. Another mirror there. This one, I think, has, yes, a very bright light around it. We don't need that one. And there, you can't really see it, but there is a hairdryer. See? Spare towel. I think that's spare, yeah, spare pillows. General tea and coffee tray. Little lamp. You've got the, oops, go back a bit, the big TV on the wall there. That is a massive TV for this room. Obviously the controller for it, so it works. And somebody's left me some donuts and some pancakes and some bottles of Pepsi. That was nice of them. My earpods on charge. Then over here we have the huge bed. That is one huge bed. And then this side you've got like a sofa, which could also be a bed. The stuff on it, that's for a later video. All of my rubbish hiding down there. My little array of stuff on there. Yeah, you've got a plug socket right near the bed. Why do people do that? That annoys me. If there's nothing plugged in, turn it off. God damn it. Oh, over here you've got a little temperature control. Apparently it's on 24 at the minute. I might have to turn that down a bit. Then in here you have your own ensuite. You've got generic toilet, toilet paper, no shortage here. Sink, another big mirror, my toiletries, and then bath for getting clean. Towels, bath mat. And then there's a shower up there as well. It's a very big, deep bath, actually. That'll take a lot of water to fill that. Grouting needs redoing around the edge there, though. Never mind. So, yeah. That is my lovely room here at the Premier Inn. Sort of south-easty London way, I think. I'm not that far from Heathrow, if I vaguely remember. But, yeah. That is my room. I would show you the view, but it's really, really dark out there. I'll give you an example. There you go, can't see anything. It's literally a roof. I have the roof of, I think it's Sainsbury's, out my window. So, you're not missing much. But I shall leave you to have another little look at this lot. This lot will be in a future video. It's quite a haul, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little tiny room tour. Oh yeah, and there's a random door there. I don't know whether it's like you can have adjoining rooms. But I'm pretty certain there's a store cupboard that side. But who knows. Oh yeah, and they've got all these for the TV, like HDMI and stuff. So, I'm guessing you can bring your PlayStation with you? Yeah, you're not allowed to vape in here either. And you've got the food menu, which I'm not getting. The coronavirus thing, and how to operate the heating. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little tour. And I shall leave you be. And I'll see you all in a future video. Bye.